everybody. So I just learned this really cool little stitch called the scroll stitch, and I wanted to share it in case anybody was watching and wanted to try it themselves. And it's pretty simple, but it's got a really beautiful effect. I actually have I'm putting together a little book of stitches, and I'll show you. This may not look like much, it's a little bit of a mess right now, but you can see here's the scroll stitch I was working on. Not so great in this part, but I was kind of getting the hang of it over right here. Anyway, set that aside and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so you come up through your fabric, alright, and then you take, measure your line here. You're going to take a little tiny back stitch at just a slight angle here, okay? And when you're bringing this through, you're going to leave it there for a second. You're going to take your working thread and you're just going to loop it underneath your tip of your needle. So you kind of have this little loopy thing here. And then you're just going to pull it through and going to help it along here because it's my yarn. It doesn't want to stick. And it makes this really pretty little loop here. All right. And we're going to come up and do another one. We're going to come the same distance. We're going to take again that little back stitch. We're going to take our thread, loop it underneath, and we're going to pull that through. Oops, sorry about bumping the camera there. And just going to help it along a little bit. I didn't have to do this with my embroidery thread, but the yarn wants to stick a little bit. And we'll do one more. So I'm going to come up at the same distance there. And again, that little tiny back stitch. And we're going to take that thread and loop it and push it through. Ah, that burlap is tough there. There we go. And just come on down. And as you can see, that just makes a really lovely, and look at the sunlight coming in on it now. Very pretty stitch. I just think this is just a darling little stitch. Like I said, I just learned it, and I hope somebody takes a look at this and likes to try it for themselves. And again, if you're enjoying my tutorials, maybe you could hit the subscribe button. That'll let me know people are watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!